Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you for coming back to another video. Right now, we're gonna go in with a green and an orange. You're doing ombre. Everything will be listed down below except for the glitter because the glitter is discontinued. I am using Martha Stewart glitter, which is discontinued. Get that spray paint right. It really don't matter if the ombre is right or not because we're going to glitter it. If you don't want to glitter it, you can stop right there. But me, I'm extra. I'm gonna glitter it. So here we go. Ombres are really not that hard, but it just takes more than one ombre to master ombre. So I'm going in with the epoxy method so I can take my time and get that ombre to look like I want it to look. Again, I am using Martha Stewart glitter, which is discontinued. So grab your orange and grab your green or your mint green, your green. Grab it and let's go. So right now I'm just aiming the glitter at the tape line. I'm going to sprinkle that a little bit and then go in with my green and hit the bottom up, hitting the edge. Here we go, going into an ombre. So I'm going to try not to talk too much and I'm going to let y'all listen to the music until I have to come back and explain what I have to do. So I am placing Cricut brand textured metallic vinyl onto this cup, and I just used some white vinyl also for the words and the other leaves. If you want to know, or if you want these files, the leaf file, the leaves, and the text, there will be a icon link somewhere to link you to one of my technical videos to make the decals. But make sure you seal this metallic textured vinyl down, because it will lift up. So seal that thing down so you won't have to have no heartaches and, sitting over there mad in the corner. I told you to seal it now. Seal that vinyl. As we all know, I'm extra, and I wanted to add a little extra to this cup. It just wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't giving me what I wanted to give. So I added a glitter rim to the top. So I took double-sided tape that I got from the Dollar Tree, which is my favorite store. Hello. I placed it around the rim, cut it, All right, y'all. This is the biggest. This is the biggest step of this cup right now because all your work can go down in flames if you do not do this. Now, remember, I told you. Well, I did not tell you, but I wanted my paper section to stay glitter free, and I'm adding glitter to the top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some plastic wrap around my cup. Then I'm gonna take that off with some painter's tape and paint and tape the rest of my cup up because glitter falls. Glitter is like glitter is shaky. Glitter is unstable, honey. Glitter is I don't even know. Glitter will move on you. You think it's down and be like, ah, I'm loose. Glitter is like glitter gets everywhere. So I just wanted my sections to stay the way it was before I added this glitter. And I added that mix from the ombre. I don't throw nothing away, y'all. That's my problem. That's the problem. That's my problem. I don't throw anything away. And I tapped it down. Then I sealed it with clear spray paint, clear coat, clear spray paint, clear coat. And then I went another round with the glitter. I did coat this 2 times with epoxy just to make sure that glitter was already like sealed in and stuff. And that's it, y'all. Real simple, real sweet. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.